How to order anything from AliExpress. Open AliExpress application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Explore the items that you can purchase. Tap on the item of your choice. Or you can also search for the items if you want. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. You can search by clicking the photo. For that, tap on the camera icon. Otherwise, enter the item that you want to shop over here. Search for it. Tap on the item of your choice. See the details of the item over here. Scroll down in order to see ratings and reviews. If you want to add it to the cart and buy it later, tap on the option Add to Cart. Tap on the option Continue. If you want to buy it right now, tap on the option Buy Now that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Continue. Now you can add the address. Tap on the field of country or region. Select the country or region of your choice. Enter your first name over here. Enter your last name. Enter the phone number over here. Now enter the address. Search for the address. Or you can also enter it manually by tapping on the option Enter Address Manually. I'm just going to search for the address. Once you type in the address, you can see various addresses over here. Tap on the option of your choice. You can set it as the default address by toggling on this button. Tap on the option Save. Once the address is added, you'll have to confirm the order. You can see the item that you ordered over here. You can also see the shipping fee and additional charges. If you have the promo code, you can apply it over here. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and check out. Tap on the option Place Order. Now you'll have to select the payment methods. You can find the payment methods like PayPal, card, Google Pay, etc. Tap on the payment method of your choice. I'm just going to add a card. So tap on the option Card. Now you'll have to enter the card details over here. Enter the card number. Enter the cardholder name. Now select the expiry date over here. Select the month and day. Enter the CVV. Tap on the option Pay Now that you can see on the screen. If the details that you provided are correct, your payment will be done. Wait for the transaction to be completed. After that, your order will be placed. You'll receive the order in the address that you just entered. Like this, you can order anything on AliExpress. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.